Got a stackable washer that doesn't spin or drain? I do. I'll show you how to fix this pain in the... Let's go. I was looking online how to fix this and was always pointed in the wrong direction. Most were blaming it on the lid lock. Well, my problem was not the lid lock. I could tell because when I turn on the machine, the lid locks. Turn it off and the lid opens. That was easy to figure out. Let's open this thing up and take a look inside. Best way to open it, drag your putty knife until it stops. When it stops, you hit a tab and push in with the putty knife. Usually there are 2 tabs, one on each side. Then pull the panel up because there's usually hooks on the bottom. Let's get down and take a look at the tub. Nice, a sock. Better a sock than a rat. This means the tub is getting overfilled. The sock is falling behind the drum. Stop overfilling the tub. Aha, the culprit. The belt fell off the motor. Maybe the sock got in between the belt. Anyhow, here's the motor. This attaches to the drum by the drive belt. No belt, no spinny. If your belt is already on, the drum has a gear. If the servo, which I found out it's called a Thermo Actuator, doesn't move, the gear also won't engage for the drum to spin, even if the belt is on. Okay, let's connect the belt. It goes on from here to here. This was not difficult. I attached the belt to the drum's gear in the back and then connected it to the washing machine's electric motor. Get one side on and turn the wheel while you're pushing up on the belt. It snaps in. Now, my machine still didn't spin, but I noticed the gear wasn't dropping down. That means this Thermo Actuator has an issue. That little knob on the tip needs to eject outward. When it does, it pushes on the plastic piece and lowers the gear to engage the drum to spin. Obviously, you have to make sure the teeth are lined up. This goes right here, and you have to make sure it's in correctly so when it extends, it will push the gear down. A good way to test to see if this is working is to turn on the washer with the Thermo Actuator out and see if the tip extends. If it does, it might have been jarred out of position, which was my situation. The Thermo Actuator wasn't seated correctly in addition to the belt coming off. Let's turn the washer on and see if the gear engages. It's as slow as molasses, but it's lowering the gear. There you go, it's spinning and the lid is locked. You can see it spinning. Put the front panel back on and give it a little push to snap in. Okay, back to work. My machine is all good. I hope this helps, and let me know if it did because it makes me feel good to help you and help me by giving me a thumbs up and subscribe.